Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Madela. I've missed you all and I hope you miss me too. Anyways, on today's episode I would be doing Chebe Butter hair treatment for my client, and I want you guys to also do it with me. I want to take you guys through the video today, so stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click that notification bell if you want to be notified anytime I upload a new video. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and let's get into it. Alright guys, so this is my client here. She's Mariama. I'll be taking you through how to apply Chebe Butter to the natural hair, and I will be updating you guys on her hair improvement.
Hello guys, I'm in love with my hair, so please subscribe to her channel.
Alright guys, thank you for watching and see you in my next video.
Thank you. Love you all.